and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're in the unboxing the number 57 in the build and decorate your dollhouse. It's very large, but well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. And okay, guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 57. If you would like to see the previous 56, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. There you have it, a bit more in focus. And guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's open this up. And here it says, the Great Victorian Kitchen. We've unboxed many pieces of the kitchen for this house. If you would like to see that again, guys, it'll be in the playlist in the end of the video. Here you can see a big Victorian kitchen. It's very cool. And it tells you all of the different pieces here. And here it says the foods of the antique dollhouses. And it talks about some of the miniature foods that they would have. And here it shows 3 examples. So some onions, what looks like olives, potatoes. It's very cool how they show those. Let's see here. Here it shows you how to connect this wall. It tells you the different materials that you'll need, and then it begins to walk you through step by step of how to connect it to the dollhouse. And then, guys, it walks you through how to make like a coat rack for your dollhouse. And guys, as I always say with this collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects after we've unboxed the entire collection. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. And make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And if you guys haven't yet, make sure to leave a like down below. And tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? I love hearing from you guys. I know you enjoyed this collection because I see in the analytics the watch time for these videos. They're among my most watched in my channel. So I know you guys enjoy them, but I would love to hear your thoughts. If you're building the Dollhouse 2, tell me what you think about the collection down in the comments below. And well, that's the end of that. Here you just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this is from Salvat, as I said before. And well, let's flip this over. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. Okay guys, so we got this wooden piece. It's the same as the other ones that we've unboxed. It's very large, it's the same size as the table. Let me show you the other side. It's a bit like thickish, which you can see there. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new pink towels that we got. So let's go ahead and let's unbox those now. We got this little Ziploc thing. Okay. Is it like, oh, it's like mini little towels. Like, oh, that's nice. And it has this little lace on the bottom on both sides. And it's kind of like a towel material. So you have like 3 of these, which is really cool. So you can use them in different parts of the house, which is pretty nice. Tell me guys, what do you think? I like them. I think that they're cool. And I like the color. I like that they're pink. You guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing your opinions. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And of course, make sure to hit the bell that's right next to it, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.